In order to do that, let's head over and then click on this Get Started that you can see right here on your screen. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the pricing. So you can have your free trial. You can also see in here Dreamer, Founder, and Pro. So for example, for this one, let's head over and then just choose your free trial first so we can see what it looks like. Click on this Get Started right here that you can see on your app. Now this will load and then this will show you the interface of this particular IdeaBuddy. Now this is what it looks like. You can sign up using your email or password, or you can also sign up with Google. So for this case, let's head over and choose Google right here because this is much easier. So I'll head over and then choose in here my Google account. And then from in there, it will actually redirect with this. So let's head over and continue in order to successfully sign up or sign in. Now in here, you just need to personalize your space. So enter in here your name. And then after that, put in here your last name. After that, you can also add in here your profile picture, but I'll not head over and then do that. Click on this next right here, and then you can put in here your brilliant idea. As you can see, here is the progress bar. As you can see right now, 20% onboarding has been completed. So put in here your brilliant idea. Like for example, I put in here, develop an app, e-commerce app. So let's put that right here. And then from in here, you can put in here where your business is located. So for example, for this case, let's head over and choose United States. And then put in here what stage your business is in. So let's head over and click on Idea and then click on Next. And then here you can generate suggestions using IdeaBuddy. When you click on this, it will show you some suggestions that you can choose from, which is e-commerce, tech startup, as well as website. So let's choose in here this e-commerce. And then it will ask you if you would like to use a template. So you can head over and then just choose a template if you want to, and then click on Next. Then just put in here the name of your business idea. So for example, for this, let's put in here my shop. And then click on Next right here. And then you can put in here your financial settings, like where do you want to start. For example, let's start December of this year. Planning period is 1 year. The currency will be in US dollars. So click on this Finish right here. And then once you have done that, this will actually put in here 100% onboarding completed. And then from in here, it will actually finish it off for you. So it will ask you wherever you'd like to start. And when you reach this particular page, that means that you have successfully created an account and then completed the onboarding process of IdeaBuddy. So that's how you create an account on IdeaBuddy. Hope we helped.